Sign out option on iPhone not available due to restrictions. Now, whenever you open up settings, you're trying to log out of your Apple ID. So you tap on your Apple ID name, you scroll down, then the sign out option is maybe grayed out, or when you sign out, it says not available due to restrictions. Now, why does this happen? It usually just means that your phone's screen time has actually been enabled, that is preventing you from signing out of your account. So simply open up settings, then simply go to the option and look for the option that says screen time. Then once you go to screen time, you want to simply go to content and privacy restrictions. When you go to content and privacy restrictions, over here you can see iTunes and App Store purchases. Make sure you disable those. Otherwise, what you can do is simply turn off content and privacy restrictions itself in a nutshell. Now, after you turn this toggle off, then you should come back and then you simply go to your Apple ID. Then now you should be able to see the sign out button. This way you should be able to fix if the sign out option is not available on iPhone. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.